How to get a loan fast for emergency expenses. Emergencies do not wait for banks. Whether it is equipment breaking down, unexpected repairs, or urgent bills, business owners need fast access to cash. Unfortunately, traditional lenders move very slowly, requiring endless paperwork and weeks of waiting. That's why our team works as independent brokers with David Allen Capital, helping businesses secure emergency loans with approvals in as little as 1 to 2 business days. The requirements are quite simple. To qualify, your business must be operating for at least 4 months, generate $15,000 or more in monthly revenue, and have a personal FICO score of 550 or higher, with operations in the USA or Canada. For smaller businesses earning less, DAC also provides microfunding programs with lower requirements, designed to help in urgent situations. David Allen Capital also provides a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If another lender offers a better offer, DAC will either match it or pay you $500 in cash. When emergencies strike, waiting is not an option. Apply today through the link in the description below at jakefunding.com. Good luck!